In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Monarch Money works. Explained simply. Monarch Money is a comprehensive platform designed to make managing your finances easier and more efficient. One of the first things you'll want to do is navigate over to the Monarch dashboard. Here, you'll find an overview of your financial situation at a glance, from accounts and transactions to your budgeting and investment summaries. This is your central hub where you can monitor your financial health and track your progress over time. Next, let's delve into the accounts section. This is where you can link and manage all your bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial accounts in one place. By consolidating everything here, you get a complete picture of your financial landscape, and it's all updated in real time. This step is crucial as it lays the foundation for the rest of your financial tracking and planning. Once you have your account set up, you can add transactions manually if needed. This feature is helpful for instances when certain transactions don't automatically sync or when you need to add cash payments. Keeping this up to date ensures that you have the most accurate view of your finances, which is vital for creating budgets or analyzing your spending. Speaking of transactions, the cash flow section is where you can really start to see your money management at work. In this area, you track all cash flow, including income and expenses, to see exactly where your money is going. This information is especially useful when you're trying to pinpoint areas where you might be overspending or need to adjust your budget. From there, we can move on to reports. Monarch Money offers detailed reports that break down your spending by category, giving you valuable insights into your financial habits. These reports are customizable, allowing you to view your finances from different perspectives and identify trends over time, which can be incredibly empowering for making informed financial decisions. Creating a budget is another key step you can take within Monarch Money. With the budgeting tool, you set spending limits for various categories, helping you stick to your financial goals. It allows for flexibility and adjustments as needed, so you are not locked into rigid frameworks, but rather navigating a path that aligns with your financial aspirations. Recurring expenses can also be seen and managed effectively. The platform helps you monitor these regular outflows, ensuring you are always prepared for upcoming bills and subscriptions. This can significantly reduce the stress associated with managing monthly bills and provides peace of mind knowing you're on top of your obligations. Additionally, you have the ability to set and track your long-term financial goals. Whether it's saving for a vacation, a new home, or retirement, setting clear goals and monitoring your progress is crucial for financial success. Monarch Money makes this process intuitive and visually engaging. Investments are another aspect you can track, giving you a thorough understanding of your assets. Keeping an eye on your investments is easier with Monarch's tools, which offer comprehensive visibility into your investment performance and help you make informed decisions. Lastly, Monarch Money offers advice providing valuable insights and tips based on your financial data. This personalized guidance can help you optimize your financial strategy and answer specific questions you might have about managing your money better. Monarch Money really is an all-in-one solution, ready to help you take control of your financial future with ease and confidence.